let's just do this concept check really quickly because I do want to talk about this point. A scientific theory has little or no evidence to support it and could best be described as a best guess. True or false? Hopefully you said false, because a scientific theory is something that has had numerous testing and explanation and retesting by different people. And so we pretty much look at a scientific theory these days as being true. We can't prove it forever and ever, amen, as being true, but there's been such a huge amount of collection of evidence, so statements, propositions, concepts, explanations to account for this event that we accept it as true. It's not the result of a single experiment. It's been repeated over and over again, and it's the entire body of ideas that explains the phenomenon. It's not weak speculation. It's a declaration that has stood the test of time and decades of research. Now, a hypothesis is a little bit different. A hypothesis is a tentative explanation that you're going to test in an experiment. So sometimes people confuse theory and hypothesis. Theory, we say, okay, it's been tested so many times that we have not ever proven it wrong. We can't prove it wrong with what we know now because we have tested it so many times and it's always been true. A hypothesis is, wow, I'm going to test whether or not this light bulb is going to go off if I flip the switch. So I'm going to go turn off the switch and it's going to go off. Okay, great, that hypothesis worked. Everybody tests that every day. And so when we test it every day over and over and over and over, we can say that's a theory now. I hope that makes sense to you, but you can read through that text and get a better idea of what the difference is between a hypothesis and a theory. So a little bit more here about some discoveries related to microbiology, which finishes out section 1.5.